So I am Jesse James Aquino Cruz, and I am going to tell you what I've learned in this unit, which is Unit 7. It covers the natures of microorganism. This unit introduces us to the study of microscopic organism known as the microbiology. I learned about the fundamental discoveries starting with Anton Van. His observation of microorganisms in 1676, and the later contribution of pioneers like Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch, who are considered as founder of medical microbiology, who are these these tiny organisms, which include eukaryotes like fungi or protists, and prokaryotes like bacteria and archaea. We learn about that in the unit 3. So moving on, they are vital on Earth, playing essential roles in decomposing the waste, nutrients, and cyclings, producing food and producing food and medicines. We explored the 5 major group of microorganisms in this unit. These 5 are the bacteria, the study of bacteriology; protozoa, the study of protozoology; the algae, which is the phycology; the fungi, the mycology; and the virus, which is the study of virology. Bacteria are prokaryotic and ubiquitous. Protozoa are unicellular and heterotopic protists. Algae are typically autotrophic with a chitinous cell wall, and viruses are cellular submicroscopic agents that can only produce inside a host cell.